Assalamu alaikum children. Welcome to the science class for the grade 3. Today we are going to start lesson number 10, sound. So at the end of this chapter you will be able to identify different types of sounds. You will be able to describe the sounds we make. You can differentiate between pleasant and unpleasant sounds. You can recognize animal sound and you will be able to identify sounds in nature. Okay, let's start our lesson. Sound. What is sound? The roar of a lion, the buzz of a bee, the chirping of birds, the rustle of leaves, the slamming of the door, the pitter-patter sound of rain. All these are sounds. So the different sounds which we hear in our daily life. These all are sounds. Children, can we see the sound? Can we see what is the shape of sound? How does it look? No, we cannot see. Just we can hear it. Now, what does a baby do when he or she is hungry? What does a baby do when she wants something, when he wants something, is feeling hungry? So, they cry. Now, what does a baby do when he is hungry? They cry. So we hear this crying sound. Then we respond. The mother responds when child cries by listening the sound of crying of the baby. We cannot see sound, but we can hear different sounds every day, like laughing sound or talking. So when we are talking to each other, we can hear the sound and understand what the words they are saying. And we make sounds when we talk. When we need to talk, we make sound. So we use different words for talking, but sound is very important to make the others to understand what we are saying. So we communicate with each other by talking. People all over the world talk in various languages. Okay? So languages, words, the things, these all are different. But the main thing which we need for talking is sound. Okay? All these languages are made up of different sounds. We make all types of sounds with our voice box. So human beings, how can they produce sound? We can produce our sound in the throat, where at the upper end of our windpipe, voice box will be there. The voice box is present in our throat. Because of that only we can produce sound. The voice box is the structure at the top of the windpipe that contains the vocal cords. At the top of the windpipe, do you know children, we have two pipes in our throat. One is food pipe and another is windpipe, through which the air passes to the lungs. So at the end of the upper end of the windpipe, there is voice box. Okay, the voice box is the structure which is present at the top of the windpipe that contains the vocal cords. There are two vocal cords present in our voice box, which vibrate when we speak. When we speak, these two cords which are present in the throat, at the end of the windpipe, they vibrate, and the air passes through that. Then only the sound produces, and we can speak or sing or laugh or shout. Whatever we want, we can make our sound. Now we will see different types of sounds. What are the sounds which we make? We make different sounds when we talk, when we laugh, when we shout or cry or cough or sneeze. We make different sounds. We make sounds when we sneeze, we cough, we touch a hot object. When you touch a very hot object, what do? You shout badly. We laugh out loud, we shout, and when we cry out of pain or fear, because of seeing something danger suddenly, we shout because of the fear. Can we also make sounds without using our voice box? Yes. Human beings, they make their sound from the throat, from the voice box. But other than this, many sounds are there in the nature. We can create many types of sounds by using different things. We will see how to create. So we can produce sound. You can see this pictures. here the person is knocking the door. So the sound is producing because he is knocking by the fingers on the door. So this is not the voice of humans, this is the voice we are creating, we are producing by our hand and by using any object. Here you can see the different sounds made by humans, like here if someone touch a hot object, or someone get cough or sneeze or laughing or crying sounds, here human beings are making sounds. But here also we can make sound, but not from the voice box. These sounds are producing because the two objects are touching to each other. Here we are beating by our hand on the door, then the knocking sound is producing. Here this woman is using grinder to grind something. Then when she is running this machine, this grinding machine, it is producing a loud voice, loud sound it is producing. And this person is beating the drums, so it is also creating very loud sound. And here this boy is beating stone on stone, then also sound is producing. Let us now do an activity to know more about the vocal cords. Put your hand on the throat. When we produce sound from our vocal cords, there will be some vibration produced. So when you put your hand on the throat while talking or while shouting, you can feel this vibration. Put your fingers on your throat and say good morning. Can you feel your vocal cords move? Yes. On our fingers we feel some vibrations which is producing in the throat. So this is how vibrations are produced when the sound is producing, when the sound is generating. Now we will see the two types of sound, that is pleasant sounds and unpleasant sounds. What is pleasant sound? The sound that we make may be it can be pleasant or unpleasant. So pleasant sounds are those which are soft. What are pleasant sounds? Which are soft, which we enjoy. We enjoy hearing pleasant sounds such as the sounds made by musical instruments and chirping of birds sounds. Okay, or someone is laughing softly, that is also pleasant sound. Okay, musical instruments create pleasant sound, and if a baby is laughing softly, that is pleasant sound, and if the birds are chirping, that is also pleasant sound. Musical instruments such as tabla, harmonium, flute and guitar produce pleasant sounds. Okay children, here in these pictures you can see. So the sounds which we feel good and soft and we enjoy, that is pleasant sound. Other than unpleasant sounds are the sounds which are loud and they are disturbing. Okay, disturbing sound will be unpleasant. Loud sounds are disturbing and can be bad for our health. It irritates us. Okay, so we will continue this topic next week. So that's it for today's video. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.